I think the change of the building has created a sense of pride in our students and our staff, and the way the building was designed by the architects provides for a smooth flow of students from one class to another, from one transition to the next. And the safe room gives us the security and peace of mind knowing that our students can have a safe place to go in case of a inclement weather, tornado.
The building, overall, the building feels really relaxed. We were in, you've probably seen the old building, so it was a very small space, and we were in there pretty tightly. All the classrooms are bigger, the hallway is bigger, so overall it's just been a really nice, relaxed feel to the building. We're like other buildings now in that you hear people talk about that you really have to make sure that you get out and walk around so that you see everyone, because before in the small building, everyone knew everything about everyone because it was so tightly packed in there. A big, really nice positive thing that's taken place is all of the built-in physical activity that's available. Nelson Elementary was always very kind and generous about, and Mr. Mitchner, about letting us come over and do PE, use the playground. But now we have our own PE teacher, our own gym, and are able to have our own built-in activity like that, like other schools do. Also, having the playground and a place to go out and be able to be physically active and walk and interact socially, those have all been really good things.
I think the Locker Bay area is a very popular place for the students to go and hang out before school, during passing period, and after school. We have our vending machines in there, we have some couches in there, the lockers are in there. It's just a wide open space for students to come and hang out, catch up with one another, visit, interact, socialize in between classes. So I think that's probably a favorite spot for the students. My favorite place would have to be the gym because I love basketball. We've never had a full-size gym before, so we have some after-school activities, like we go in and play volleyball on Tuesdays, students and staff, and on Wednesdays we have basketball in there. But it also provides for them to take PE and be able to engage in a number of different activities in the gym. The most important factor for me, though, would have to be that the gym is our safe room. And so our community's had 2 pretty bad tornadoes in the past 30 years. And just having that peace of mind of knowing that our students can go to a safe place and weather a storm, and that parents have that peace of mind as well.
Well, it's amazing. I mean, I walk in here every day and I cannot believe how blessed we are to have such a beautiful facility for the kids and for the staff to be in. There are lots and lots of options available that we did not have before having the additional space.
We have expanded our computers in our labs, and so we have students now taking classes for Microsoft certification. We have a number of students who've earned certifications in Word, Excel, and Outlook already, and so that it's provided those opportunities, and just the sense of pride for our students to have a brand new building and to watch them take great care of it and to take pride in it. And we don't have trash on the floor. Kids are very respectful, and they've expressed gratitude to the district and the community for the investment that's been made in their education. So it's been great.
I don't know if they would say the playground or the cafeteria, because they've been really excited in the past. Again, everyone's did a really great job of taking good care of us, and they brought our food into Tri-City, and it was served from a very small cafeteria there. But here the students are able to go in, have choices, have a la carte items and things like that you guys probably just take for granted because you've always had those at your school.